Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I wanted to share with you some of the items that I use to keep my nails healthy at home. I've not had a request for the items that I use. I've not had a request in a little while for the items that I used to take care of my nails. But I have had those requests and I thought I'd share those items. The first thing is a product that I have been using for more than 10 years now. My nails are extremely soft and they peel horribly if I don't have some kind of weekly nail care routine. And I found this product years ago. It's called Nail Tech 2. It's an intensive therapy treatment and it is designed for soft peeling nails. It helps to strengthen them. It helps to stop the peeling by sealing or fusing the nail layers together, and it also helps them to grow. So anytime my nails do start chipping or breaking and I have to cut them off and start over, I never worry about them growing back because the Nail Tech 2 has been perfect for my nail health. In addition to the Nail Tech 2 intensive therapy, the other thing that I have been using as long is the Nail Tech glass file. I have long ago given up emery boards and stainless steel files, and the only thing that I use on my nails is a glass nail file. And this is a crystal file by Nail Tech. And you can order this directly from Nail Tech. I've also picked them up from Amazon. I keep one in my purse, and then this is the one that I actually keep in my little at-home manicure set. The case has seen its better days, but this is the file. You don't have to worry about filing it. It's easy wash and dry for sanitation. It is excellent for soft peeling nails. Instead of peeling the layer off, because I have a tendency to do that, what this will do is you buff the nail and it will actually smooth it out and help to seal the nail back together again, along with the Nail Tech therapy treatment, so that your nails actually have an opportunity to get some growth. So I have a small one that I keep in my purse for on the go, and then a large one that I keep in my at-home manicure set. The next item for me for my nail care is actually a manicure set that I picked up from Sephora for like $20. And this is absolutely amazing. It has everything that you need for cuticle care, nail clippers of both sizes, scissors. It has a cuticle pusher. Everything in this little kit is stainless steel. I keep a silica packet in here just because after I wash them after use and put them back in, it helps to absorb any moisture in the case. But this is absolutely perfect. It's small enough to keep in my purse, small enough for traveling on the go. When I go to the salon to have my nails done, which is rare because they're just so rough on natural nails, at least with mine being so temperamental, I even take my own kit so that I don't have to worry about sanitation or hygiene with the tools that they use there in the salon. So this is an absolute essential for me. And I love the cuticle pusher. I've used this for at-home pedicures, just when you're trying to make sure that the side of your nails are growing in the right direction. And then if you're one of the people that have a hard time using like the nail clippers for your cuticles, then this is absolutely phenomenal, even with your non-dominant hand. The next thing for me for my at-home nail care is a phenomenal base coat and top coat. The one that I really love is by Orly, and this doubles for both base coat and top coat. It has a pretty good long wear, and I have found that using this, my manicures at home last just as long as the ones in the salon, unless you're getting gel. This does not increase a manicure to the duration of a gel coat or gel polish, but you can get a good week and a half out of this top coat and base coat. The other is, even if you are not using expensive or quote unquote designer nail polishes, having a good base coat and top coat will help to extend even inexpensive nail polishes. I try to steer clear away from them because they chip so bad for me that I just stopped purchasing them. But having a good quality nail polish will also help to extend your manicure. And it will, this one probably has seen its better day. But this will help when you have a good quality nail polish and you're using a good top coat and base coat. It will help to extend your manicure as well. And the last one that I'm going to show you here is actually a nail tech polish, and it is a therapy polish, and it actually helps to support your nail growth and splitting, and helps to strengthen your nail as they're growing. So it has a little bit more of a benefit than just color with some of the others, but it comes at a price as well because it is also considered a therapy treatment. Part 3 for me of my at-home nail care routine is exfoliation and moisture. The first is a Skin Fix hand cream, and I absolutely love this. Have this on auto delivery from QVC. It's thick, it's rich, it helps with cuticle health, dry skin. I've noticed that my nails don't seem as brittle when I'm using this. So I love the Skin Fix hand repair cream. I also have a Sally Henson. This is a cuticle care or nail cream, and I'm almost out of this one, but I have another one on standby of a different brand. But just keeping your cuticles hydrated, keeping a healthy cuticle and nail bed will absolutely help to support nail growth as well. This is a L'Occitane just body cream, hand cream, and I love these for in my purse because great on the go, washing your hands if you're in office dealing with a lot of paper, if you're in an environment where you're constantly having to wash your hands like in the healthcare industry, having a good hand lotion to keep your hands moisturized throughout the day is absolutely worth the additional spend for your hands and your nails to look nice. And then this is another L'Occitane hand cream, and this one is the one that I actually keep on my nightstand so that I can apply it before I go to bed at night. This is a cuticle oil as well. So if you need something convenient and on the go, you can also find it in a pen, and I actually picked this one up from Sephora. And then the other thing is from an exfoliation standpoint. I have a hand scrub here from L'Occitane that I like. It's a pretty expensive. I try to get it in a gift set or in a combo pack of some sort whenever I do pick it up, but they do sell it at Sephora, and it is worth the money. Great hydration. It has mild exfoliation, which is great for not only your hands, but getting really good around your cuticles. It is worth the money. Now, what I prefer using at home is the sugar scrub by Tree Hut, and using a L'Occitane bath oil or shower oil as well. This sugar scrub is a little more coarse than the one from L'Occitane. And when I use this, I really want a deep scrub. I want to make sure that my palms are smooth. I want to make sure that I'm getting really good around my cuticles and in between my fingers and in between my thumbs and on the back of my hands and up to my wrist. And I'll do a really deep scrub here with this one. And then before I add warm water, so I'm doing this on dry hands for maximum exfoliation, I will then add the shower oil and again scrub and then gradually add warm water so that I get the cleanse and the suds from the shower oil and then a gradual dissolve of the sugar scrub. The final two items in my at-home manicure nail care routine is a hand mask. This one is one that I pick up frequently from Sephora. It's the Argan hand mask, and this one is intended for anti-aging and evenness. And I love these because it is a nice little treat. The gloves have the solution for the anti-aging and the evenness inside. It has a little tape strip where you can secure it around your wrist, and you can just let those nutrients and vitamins soak into your hands, and that is especially great after you've used a hand scrub. Then you can actually put the hand mask on to help seal in the moisture, and then to take it over the top, I have a set of warming mittens that are, you've seen these in salons, I'm sure, if you've ever had a professional manicure, but these are heated mittens and they are perfect to turn your at-home manicure nail care routine into a spa-like treatment. What I do is after I have used the gloves and use the heated mittens, is then will dip my hands in a paraffin bath. And I didn't bring that downstairs, but I have one of those, and that will actually help to seal in everything. So I want to do all of my scrubs and treatments and therapies and moisturizers before I actually apply any nail color or nail coat, because you don't want that wax on your fresh manicure. But those are the things that I use to maintain my nails at home. And I thought that I would just put together a quick video, not to show you how I do it, but the things that I use with what I hope is a pretty good explanation. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.